Good morning to everyone. This is Gayatri Murugan. Coming to my topic, it is laser and its application. We are to see the contents of the laser application, the introduction of the laser, principle of the laser, kinds of laser, construction and working of ruby laser, construction and working of helium neon laser, application of laser, advantage of laser, disadvantage of laser, and at last we have to see in the conclusion. We have to go the next slide. We have to introduce the what is the laser. The word laser is an acronym that stands for laser amplification by the simulated emission of radiation. Laser are essentially highly directional and highly intense, highly monochromatic and highly coherent optical source. Its simulated emission was postulated by Einstein as early as 1917. In 1916, a solid-state ruby laser is developed by Feynman on this principle. In 1961, a gas-state helium neon laser is developed by Ali Jawan and others in Bell Telephone Laboratory. And we have to see in this slide in the year of developing the laser. Next, we have to see the principle of the laser. In the principle of the laser, we have shown in the diagram the absorption, spontaneous emission and simulated emission. In this process, exciting the atom to higher energy level by observing the simulating incident photon is known as simulated observation of radiation. In this process, as shown in the figure, how the incident radiation was processed through in this process and how lasers are observed in another level. The transition of the excited atom by itself to lower energy level is known as spontaneous emission of the radiation. The below diagram is mentioned as spontaneous emission of the radiation, how the energy is processed to one place to another place. It have to transfer like this. The next slide we have to see the excited atom after getting the simulated by the incident photon transmit to lower energy level by emitting the photon is known as simulated emission of the radiation. Next we have to see the kinds of laser. There is various kind of the laser is available in technology. The few lasers are solid state laser, gas laser, liquid laser, dye laser and semiconductor laser. The solid state laser or ruby laser and gas laser or CO2 laser and helium ion laser. Next we have to see the construction and working of the ruby laser.
Next, now we see the components of lasers. Coming to the laser, the construction is mainly it is a cylindrical ruby rod made up of an aluminum oxide which is doped with 0.05% weight of chromium oxide. One end of the rod is fully silverized and the other end is partially silverized, so it acts as an optical resonator. The rod is surrounded by a glass tube which in turn is surrounded by the helical flash lamp filled with xenon gas. How it works? When the flash lamp light will be flashed on ruby rod, the chromium ions exist to higher energy state. After staying for up to 10 power minus 8 seconds ions, it can be transmitted to the metal stable state. The laser radiation of a wavelength of 6943 degrees Celsius. How it works and how the construction be made. Coming to that, a helium neon laser consists of a large and narrow discharge tube filled with helium and neon gases in the ratio of 10:1. The tube is enclosed between fully and partially reflected mirrors, which serves as an optical cavity. Coming to the application, it is used in many